Hi, in this video, I will teach you how to copy and move a tile to another webmix. There are two ways to move a tile and one way to copy a tile. To get started, right-click on the tile you would like to move or copy and select Copy/Move from the drop-down menu. You will then be able to choose the webmix you would like to move your tile to, and if you'd like to copy the tile, you can select the option below that says, I want to copy the tile. As long as your webmix is not full, the tile should be added to the first available position in your chosen webmix. When you're ready, click on Move Tile. The other way to move a tile is by dragging and dropping it into your preferred webmix. If the tile can be moved, the webmix will light up in green. If the webmix lights up in red, you will not be able to drag and drop the tile into the webmix. In the next video, we'll explore how to group tiles into folders and organize them using the tile marking tool.